joke you are being assassinated like Gauri. But I would say that people like Gauri are, they are not dead. You cannot kill them. Their ideas are always there. Their ideas are always relevant with us and will carry their legacy. So we are very proud of her legacy, the journalism legacy, whatever she has built up. And me being a community media journalist coming from a Dalit background, we have seen the worst situation in this nation. We have seen the worst. Our people are being killed, our people are being, targeted, they are tortured, and our women are being raped, gang raped, murdered. So this is kind of violence we are seeing in this nation. But now that violence is going to the other people also. The people are the next target. So if I'm a journalist, I'm honestly doing my job. This is not a crime and I should not be killed for it. But if you dare to kill me, I'm not going to stop it. I have chosen this path. I have chosen this path to keep the baton, to pass this baton to my next generations. Because being a community journalist, I see that anti-caste movement is like a relay race. You keep passing the baton to another person. That person, keep passing that baton to another person. So this is how we are going on. This is how we can keep the legacy of Gauri's journalism to another people also, the journalist people also. Now Indian media is totally anti-national media, I would say. This is not the mainstream media, we call it mainstream media because of its casteist nature. They have the casteist people around them. They have a full, Savarna lobby, the same upper caste people around them. And those people are feeding the poison in the venom to the, audiences every day. I've been part of the mainstream media, that's why I know it very closely. So we have to build some kind of alternative media which is the people friendly, which is doing the journalism more people friendly. Their choices, they are talking about their rights, they are talking about their basic necessities and what we are doing, what Gauri was doing. So Gauri was not doing something against the traditional things. It was just challenging the status quo. It was just challenging that how you can have a mindset. You can say that only few kind of people, few kind of mentality, few kind of mindset would only be in India. This is not the one nation. This is not the one kind of nation you want to have. We have the diversity. We have the different people around us. We need the diversity, 5 people around us. So we need a beautiful India where we have all languages, we all have colors, we all have caste, we all have genders, we all have sexual orientations, we all have food habits. We need that kind of India, not that kind of India which RSS and other people are propagating now. So Baba Saheb Ambedkar, when he was making India's constitution, he said that he was talking about the idea of India. That in idea of India, it should be inclusive, it should not be exclusive. Like you cannot exclude the people from the mainstream, you cannot. You should have the better people around you. You should have every last person, in the mainstream. So that's the idea of India we need to carry out. And me, I would say that I'm not afraid of the hate speech, I'm not afraid of the threats, I'm not, afraid of any kind of hate or the government sanctions on us. We're going to keep it up because we have seen the worst thing in our generations. Being a Dalit, we are born fighter people. I would say that my people, we are born fighters. Our people were thrown out of the village, right? We were thrown out of the village. That you have to, stay out of the village. You have to face the wild animals. We were fighting against the wild animals, but we survived. They denied us the very basic right of water. We drank polluted water. Still we are drinking polluted water, but still we are surviving. They said you cannot be into the mainstream, but we are building our mainstream. We are building our own voices now. So we are born fighter and we are not going to succumb to such kind of pressures. We'll keep the legacy alive. We'll keep the journalism alive. And we are very proud of Gauri's legacy. And as Nista Madam was saying that we are like journalists, we are like their children. All the young journalists are like their children. So if we have a mother like Gauri and we have a mother like Tista, why would we need to worry about it? So we'll keep the legacy alive. I'm really thankful to the Gauri Memorial Trust and I really pass my salute to Gauri that yes, you are there in our heart, we believe in your idea and we'll keep getting this. Thank you so much, Jai.